Hello everyone, my name is Lalit Dikshit and in this video I'm going to talk about did, where we use did, why we use did and what are the terms and conditions of did. It is very useful word mainly when we talk about the past. When we do the conversation related to the past or when we have to speak about yesterday's routine or last party. So please watch this video very carefully till the end. And by watching this video, you will never have a doubt about using did. Okay? So we use did to talk about the actions, whether the actions were done by you, by him, by them, by anyone or not. And for conversation, we tend to use formations. So the formula for asking question will be did you action. Did plus subject plus action. Means verb first form. And for answering, we have to use second form, like I action plus second form in positive answer. And in negative answer, I did not action. Okay? If the subject is he, obviously answer has to be given with the he. So did he action? He action plus second form, he did not action. And if I say, did I action, then what will be the response? You action plus second form, you did not action. Okay? I give you a few examples. Did you reply emails yesterday? I replied emails. So we have to use second form of reply, R-E-P-L-I-E-D. And for negative answer, we don't need second form. We'll say, I did not reply emails. Did you invite your friends for party? Answer, I invited friends for party. And negative answer, I did not invite friends for party. Okay? Did he invite you? So what will be the answer? Yes, he invited me. And negative, he did not invite me. You got my point? So, when we have to ask question about the past, we should not use do, does, has, have, is, am, are. We have to use simple did. Mainly when we are trying to confirm whether that person did that work or not. Okay? Now, I want to tell you how to speak about yesterday's routine. In order to speak about yesterday's routine, we have to use same formula. I action plus second form. And common connectors along with the actions which you did yesterday since morning till evening. Okay, so yesterday I woke up at 5 a.m. Then I went for jogging. I did exercise and got ready for my office at 8 a.m. I took my breakfast. After getting ready, then I went for my office. After reaching office, I started my work. I did work till 12. Then I got time to take lunch. I took lunch with my colleagues in cafeteria. Then I started my work again. I got free from my office at 5 p.m. I logged off the system and I came at home. I reached home around 6:30 p.m. because there was too much heavy traffic jam on the road, so I got stuck in jam. After reaching home, I changed my clothes as usual and took tea. Then I spent time with my family members. I did conversation with them, and after that I went market to buy essentials or maybe grocery, fruits, vegetables. I came back at home at 8 p.m. Then I sanitized myself, I splashed my face and took dinner at 9 p.m. After taking dinner, I just went for a walk. I had a walk for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I got back to my home and studied for half an hour, and then I went to bed at 10:30 p.m. So it's very easy. What I did, I had 2-3 things in my mind before I started speaking about my yesterday's routine. The first thing, formula, I action plus second form. Second thing, actions which I did yesterday. Third thing, preposition like at, on, in. And fourth thing, obviously, I used connectors. And then I formatted my sentences, I wrote down in a notebook, and I spoke in front of you. Same thing you can do at your home. You can just sit with your notebook, follow the procedure what I told you, like just write down the formula, then actions, prepositions, articles, connectors, and go for it. Once your written yesterday's routine is done, then you try this week. Share with your friends and family members and record in your mobile and listen to yourself, and then find out what mistake you did. Probably you will do the same mistake, like you might not be using second form where you were supposed to use, or maybe you forgot to use at before telling the time, but it's okay. At least you did something today. And if you are committing mistake today, it's all right. Try another time. Try again. By trying twice or thrice, it's gonna be perfect. All right? And similarly, you can write about your brother's yesterday routine, sister's yesterday routine, father's yesterday routine, friend's yesterday routine. Once you're done with the yesterday's routine, then try to write about your last party. Where you went, how you went, who did you go with, what did you enjoy in that party. Just try to recall and think what actions you did, like you planned, you drove, you reached, you exchanged the gift, or you maybe gave something as a gift to your friend who invited you. Okay, so just write down the actions and connect the sentences by the help of connectors, and use second form. But make sure when you are using for, before, after, by, start, stop, don't use second form. You have to use ing. I give you examples. I started dancing, singing, performing. I stopped laughing, crying, dancing. I went by driving, walking, using public transport. Okay? And before starting my journey, before reaching there, after reaching there, some people, they follow the rules and regulations blindly. They believe, oh, the teacher told me we have to use second form. Let's put second form in his sentence. But terms and conditions, are there. You have to remember, if we are using for, before, after, by, start, stop, we have to use ing. Just after the for if action comes, we have to use ing with the action. You got my point? Try. If you are done with the yesterday's routine, last party, you can write about shopping in the same way. Where did you go? How did you go? Who did you go with? What did you buy? And why did you choose to go in that particular market? Okay, so you might use because as a connector. Okay, I hope you understood the use of did, and you don't have problem in writing your yesterday's routine and about last parties or shopping, whatever. Okay, if still you have a doubt or any question or query, just leave your comment below, and I'm gonna make sure that in my next video I will cover that topic or point before I start teaching my new topic. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.